up damaging us. And you can get so angry about them. And it's so easy to do so. But I always think of this phrase. Mark my words, one day you will pay. You will pay. Karma's gonna come. Karma's gonna come collect your. Beware, beware, be skeptical. Their smiles with plated gold. Deceit's so natural, but a wolf in sheep's clothing is more than a warning. Bob, black sheep, have you any soul? No sir, by the way, what the hell are morals? Jack me nimble, Jack me quick. Jill's a little hard-headed, alibis are turning tricks. So could you tell me how you're sleeping easy, how you're only thinking of yourself? Show me how you justify telling all your lies like second nature. Listen, mark my words, one day you will pay, you will pay. Karma's gonna come collect your debt. Away, you stalk your prey with criminal mentality. You sink your teeth into the people you depend on, infecting everyone, you're quite the problem. Better run and hide, I smell the blood of a petty little coward. Jack me lethal, Jack me slick, to believe you lonely, dying in a filthy ditch. So could you show me how you're sleeping easy, how you're only thinking of yourself? Show me how you justify telling all your lies like second nature. Listen, mark my words, one day you will pay, you will pay. Karma's gonna come collect your debt. Maybe you'll change, abandon all your wicked ways, make amends and start a new life. Maybe you'll see all the wrongs you did to me, and start all over, start all. Oh my God, who am I kidding? Now let's not get overzealous here. You've always been a huge piece of shit. If I could kill you, I would, but it's frowned upon in all 50 states. Having said that, burn in hell. Let's go. Don't tell me how you're sleeping easy, how you're only thinking of yourself. Tell me how you justify telling all your lies like second nature. Listen, mark my words, one day, for you will pay, you will pay. Karma's gonna come collect your debt. Karma's gonna come collect your debt. Oh, karma's gonna come collect your debt. Thank you so much. Thank you for being here. Thank you for attending. We love you all so much. We miss you. We are set.